Northeastern Hendricks County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Brownsburg, or 16 miles northwest of Indianapolis, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near points down around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Design until around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 128 and 136. Interstate 74 between mile markers 62 and 67. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move
Doing the same thing. It's a new warning.
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Thank you,
In a vehicle, move to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time to the following counties in Indiana, Boone and Hendricks.
Okay.